Hello friends, welcome back to the channel, The Student's Diary. Today we will study what is relative pronoun. Pronouns that relate a word or a group of words to a noun or a pronoun. So there are some pronouns which relate a word, a single word or a group of word to a noun or pronoun in a sentence. एक sentence में अगर एक word, अगर वो word का और कुछ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स को नाउन और प्रोनाउन के साथ रिलेट करते हैं उसका हम बोलते हैं रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन. रिमेंबर दिस. डज द वर्क ऑफ रिलेटिंग समथिंग एंड व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन? बिकॉज इट इज यूज्ड इन द प्लेस ऑफ a noun. We know the definition of a pronoun. Pronoun means words which are used instead of a noun or in the place of a noun, that we call a pronoun. And relative pronoun, so these are the words that are used in the place of a noun and they do the work of relation. They do the work of relating two sentences, two words with its noun or pronoun is called a relative pronoun. So let us clarify this looking at some examples. Okay, let us see some examples here. See some relative pronouns. Okay, so these relative pronouns are who, whom, that, which, whose, some double-edged words and some conjunctions, because they also work as conjunctions. Therefore some conjunctions are also here, and all the double-edged words we use for relating two words or two sentences. Okay, let's discuss it with an example. See, a polyglot is a person who knows many languages. What is the noun here? A polyglot. So we are speaking about a polyglot. So it is the subject and it is the noun in this sentence. Okay, polyglot. A polyglot is a person who means what? Here who refers to what? Polyglot itself. Okay, it refers back to polyglot. It refers back to the noun. And see here there should have been polyglot again. A polyglot is a person, a polyglot knows many languages. It should have been like this, but it is a pronoun. Who is a pronoun? Why? Because who is used here instead of the noun polyglot. Polyglot के जगह में who का इस्तेमाल किया है, इसलिए pronoun हो गया. And who एक relative pronoun है. क्यों? क्योंकि ये जो who है ये दो पार्ट को relate करता है. Okay, A polyglot is a person, one part, and knows many languages, two parts. And these two parts are related with the word called who. Therefore, who is known as the relative pronoun. So like that, we can use that, when, whose, and who and whom. Normally, we use it for people. Okay? Who and who. Who or whom. Used for people. They are used for people. Who and whom are used for people. Remember this. Okay, so therefore who here is what happens? A relative pronoun, because it relates this part of sentence to this part of sentence. It does the work of relating, therefore it is called relative pronoun. So let's see the next sentence. Okay, what did you do with this sweater that I gave you? So here, see the part, what did you do with the sweater? It's one part, one, and I gave you, next part, and these two parts are related by that, the conjunction that. So here, what happens is that works here as a relative pronoun, because that, either that का इस्तेमाल कैसे हुआ है? That is used instead of sweater, instead of the noun. क्योंकि हम पढ़ाई कहते हैं जो noun के जगह में use होता है, और noun के जो नाउन के जगह में यूज होते हैं हम उसको pronoun बोलते हैं. So here that is a pronoun because it is used. It is a pronoun because it is used instead of a noun. And furthermore, it is a pronoun. Why? Because this word that relates two parts of the sentence. Therefore, it is called relative pronoun. It's a pronoun, then it does the work of relation. Therefore, it is called a relative pronoun. Thus, we have relative pronouns like who, whom, that, whose. Okay, all these things. So I hope you understood. If any doubt, you please comment me in comment chats. Okay, so thank you so much for listening to me.